So Barry, it's been almost a year now since you invested in this machine. How has it been going for you?
Yeah, absolutely fantastic. I mean, this is our Star SR32 J3 Type V. We've had it, like you said, coming on for a year now. It's a concept that we've had in the business, sliding ahead, had in the business for for many years. Star was a new manufacturer for us, but it was interesting to see how it came in here compared to what we currently do. We run this machine literally 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Occasionally we give it a night off. And the honest answer, we've never imagined that it would eat as much work as it did. We're familiar with fast turnaround machining, but this has really knocked spots off of a lot of the products that we make. Don't mind saying that it comes dangerously close every now and then to running us out of work. So we've had to go out and get more business for it, of which we have. We brought in additional capacity, additional business. So yeah, again, one of the best things I've done in this business, over the duration of the new build and the duration of the business.
So Barry, just give me some kind of example of what this machine will be used for. What sort of people would come to you for a product on here?
This machine, it's a CNC lathe, so it's not specific to any particular industry, so it can make anything, any industry, any kind of part, provided it's within the capacity of the machine. For me, it was about volume production, so high volume, thousands, tens of thousands, even into the hundreds of thousands. And that was what the machine was meant for me as a business, but predominantly this machine, I believe, will cater for low volume as well. But for me, it's about lights out production, 24 hours, 7 days a week.